Hello, dear all students. I hope you are doing well. God bless you with healthy, prosperous, and COVID 19 free life. Today, I am here to give you some important updates about final year examination. Earlier, because of this pandemic situation, our Honorable Education Minister had given more preference to students' health and they had decided to not conduct final year examination. However, the court have given new judgment about final year examination in the favor of University Grant Commission. Accordingly, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University have generated new examination circular. By considering students' health and safety, and student must not step outside in this pandemic situation, this final year examination will be conducted on the basis of multiple choice question pattern or OMR pattern, that is optical recognition. Students are allowed to give this examination using electronic devices, like they can use either mobile or laptop or desktop. For those students who does not possesses these electronic equipments, or those students who doesn't have internet facility, they can visit nearby MKCL examination center, which is affiliated by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. Students can visit nearby MKCL examination center and they can give examination by MCQ based pattern or OMR based pattern. This examination will be conducted between 1st of October 2020 to 15th of October 2020. The duration of this examination will be of 1 hour. Result of this examination will be declared by 31st of October 2020. This examination will comprise 60 MCQ based question, out of which students need to solve any 50 MCQ question. For the final evaluation purpose, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University have decided to implement 50-50 marks pattern. In this pattern, 50% of marks will be taken from students' college internal mark and remaining 50% of marks will be considered from final score of the MCQ based examination. For those theory subject which doesn't include internal college mark, their final evaluation will implement on the basis of score from the final MCQ based examination. The question arises, what is the syllabus of this examination? This examination will carry only those topics of the syllabus which were covered by your respective college faculty till 13th of March 2020. The question paper of this examination will be designed on the basis of those topics that were covered by your respective college faculty till 13th of March 2020. In the final total evaluation, addition of 50% of marks from college internal and 50% of marks from final score will be carried out and total marks will be generated out of 100%. The same examination rule will be applicable for ATKT and backlog students. ATKT backlog examination will also be conducted between 1st of October 2020 to 15th of October 2020. Pending practical examination will be carried out from 15th of September to 25th of September. Viva of this practical examination will be carried out using Microsoft's Skype application. This entire examination process is applicable for all UG, PG and diploma students who have enrolled for different courses in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. So these are all updates about examination pattern which have designed by Dr.